Hey guys, so this is going to be a quick video in our I can statement, and I'd like you to have your math journal out and write this down, take a few notes with me, and then you can do this assignment. It says, I can translate expressions into words and words into expressions. That's all we're going to worry about in this little quick video and homework assignment. So this is your homework assignment, and I'm actually going to do some off of the homework assignment for you to ease your burden of homework, so you will have some that are already done. All right, so in this particular case, I'm going to skip the first few because in this case, all you would do is put in these values into the variables and calculate. So I'm going to ask you to do that for 1A, B, and C. But when we get to 2, this is something new. It's something we haven't talked about yet. And it says, write each expression described below, 6 less than a number R. And all you need to do is take what you see, take what you hear when you read it aloud and put it into an expression. So 6 less than a number R. I think, okay, a number R. This phrase indicates a variable. So I have R. R is a value. I don't know what it is, but my expression needs to be 6 less than this. So I'm going to take 6 away. Guys and girls, it's that simple. You take the words and you try to write an expression that matches those words. There's not a whole lot to say about it, except for some of these are going to make you think a little. That first one was easy. All right, I'm not going to say much more about those, but on the next slide, we'll go the other way. We'll do a practice one the other way. Okay, so these ones might be a little more challenging. You know, some of these problems up top, but specifically number 3, where we have to write words for each expression. And this worksheet looks a little strange. It's missing some problems, but that's okay. So 3x minus 4, how would we do that? Instead of just writing 3 times a number minus 4, we need to try and put it in, I guess, basically mystify it a little bit more. So one way we could write this is, we could write 4 less than the product of 3 and a number, x. Whoops, sorry about my handwriting. It's hard to write there. Let me fix that. And a number, x. So, do you see how I didn't just say, oh, it's 4 less than 3 times x? I'm not just writing out what I see left to right. I'm trying to put it in a phrase that uses the most math vocabulary words I can, and that still translates to the correct expression. So in this case, I chose to say 4 less than the product of 3 and a number x. There's a lot of different ways you could go about it, but I'm going to ask you, in this case, it's okay to be fancy. Just make sure you're accurate, and what you say in words, what you write in words, would translate back to the expression you're given. So as long as you're accurate, it's okay to get fancy with these. Use your math vocabulary words. And that's really all there is to say about this. I told you it'd be a short video, so now just do these few and have a good night. I'll see you tomorrow in class.